Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can insert and link to a spreadsheet from your Google Sheets account in your text documents on Google Docs in 2026. So let us get started. So let me navigate to that example document here, and as you can see I have, for instance, linked to that Google Docs document as well as to that spreadsheet here. What you need to do, guys, is navigate to the Smart Shapes feature. To do that, click into a new line here, navigate to Insert, and hover your mouse over Smart Shapes. And then you will see these options to the right: Date, People, File, Calendar, Event, and so on and so forth. Choose File, and then you will see a list of, for example, suggestions of spreadsheets or sheets from your Google Sheets account, and you can use these, for example, to link to them. And if you hover your mouse over the link, you will see that you can be redirected to your Google Sheets account and to the specific document, or use that button here to the right to copy that link to your clipboard, and it will stay inside your Google Docs document, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.